Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at Faraday Future Intelligent Electric Inc., ticker symbol FFIE, an FF91 2.0 vehicle delivery to retail investor user play. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, folks, hit that subscribe button and set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. Now, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called 4 100% runners for our private Discord members today, June 13th, 2024. We called ZAPP pre-market today before it ran up 329%. We also called VXRT today before it ran up 148%. NXL was called in our private Discord today before it ran up 133%. And finally, there was LGVN, which was called pre-market in our private Discord today before it ran up 108%. We are just made different, folks. This is what we do. And the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it with Faraday Future Intelligent Electric Inc., ticker symbol FFIE, which is headquartered in Gardena, California. It's a publicly traded NASDAQ auto manufacturing company with a $223 million market cap and 505 employees. Faraday Future Intelligent Electric Inc. engages in the design, development, manufacture, engineering, sale, and distribution of electric vehicles and related products in the United States. It is an intelligent electric mobility ecosystem company. Faraday's technology comprises of variable platform architectures, propulsion systems, internet, autonomous driving, and an intelligence system. Now, Faraday Future Intelligent Electric Inc. was incorporated in 2014. Now, let's take a look at FFIE's most recent news. On June 13th, 2024, the company announced that it delivered the latest FF91 2.0 electric vehicle for a prominent retail investor, Jun He. The chief operating officer of his U.S. branch accepted the vehicle at the delivery event, which took place at the company's Los Angeles headquarters. Now, this marks the resumption of the start of delivery second phase that began last year. Now, there's another factor we need to mention which can make a difference in FFIE's price action. The price on FFIE stock is currently 50 cents a share. And now, at one time, FFIE was a microfloat stock back in April through mid-May of 2024, and it had parabolic runs often. In fact, we called this stock as it ran parabolic over several days, several thousand%. But it's worth noting that today, this stock now has a very heavy float, 391 million shares, and it will need much more volume for movement. But we'll still look to see if there's price action movement with this news tomorrow, if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, folks, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We are just made different. And the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and exit points on trades, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Faraday Future Intelligent Electric Inc., FFIE, is a publicly traded auto manufacturing company. FFIE is a company we will be watching. Now, with the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Now, will FFIE run parabolic? It will need a lot of volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we actually day trade this stock. This is not advice. We are not pros, folks. It is just my opinion, and I will have FFIE on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I'll see all of you again on the flip side.